Well, staying on top of your health is a 365-day-a-year job, and honestly, it doesn't hurt to have some guidance and some help there. And that's why 365 Health is here for you. We have CEO Gary Drews and Customer Success Specialist Jennifer Marinella-Rena. It's good to see you guys. Thank you both so much for being here.
Yes, thank you, Danny.
Of course. So Gary, I want to start with you. So 365 does so much, but you can give us a quick summary of the kinds of things that people provide. Go ahead and give us what you guys provide for the people.
You bet.
Yes.
So 365 Health used to be 9 Health Fair.
Yes.
And for 43 years, we've provided really vital preventive health screenings to everybody across Colorado, anybody that wanted it. Well, we realized this past year that there's more to preventive health than a health screening, and that it actually happens every day of the year, every moment of the year. It's happening right now. And so we put in place services that can help provide preventive health for folks, anybody in Colorado, year-round now.
Yes, amazing. Okay, well, so let's talk about why someone should explore 365 Health to help manage their preventative care.
Well, we're really focused on trying to improve health equity and access across the state so that anybody can have access to screening and a doctor. And so we've now added on additional services, including 24/7 telehealth.
Yes.
Preventive health screening, which you can get not just at a health fair anymore, but now also at Quest Service Centers, and education and wisdom to know how to use them wisely, which is a very important part of it. Amazing. So we're making these available to anybody in Colorado, and with a particular emphasis on vulnerable communities.
Amazing. Well, Jennifer, you have a great story to tell too, from a customer, and it's all about how 365 Health helped them. So tell me all about it.
Yeah, thank you, Danny. So one that comes to mind is a gentleman who was at the Salvation Army Shelter for Families. And so he was there with his 4 children. He woke up one morning and had really terrible stomach pain, but he was faced with the decision of, do I go to work and make the money I need to provide clothes for my children, or do I go to the doctor to be seen for the pain? He realized he couldn't afford to lose the pay, and so he went to work anyway and powered through. The pain continued to get worse, and that evening he took a bus with his 4 kids to the ER to be seen for the stomach pain. With Health in Hand, him and his whole family are now Health in Hand members. What he could have been able to do is talk to the doctor about his symptoms 24/7, so before or after work, and get a prescription for his medication, which is what he got at the ER as well. So it really would have saved a lot of pain that he had to go through, and a unnecessary disruption of his kids having to go in the night. So
definitely. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that is only one, I'm sure, of so many stories and so many ways you guys help. That's incredible. Gary, of course, as a nonprofit, you depend on donations to do the important work that you guys do, which is wonderful. What do the donations go toward?
So the service that Jennifer was just speaking to costs under $100 for a year of unlimited access to a doctor.
Wow.
So every $100 that we're able to raise today provides health care for an individual for a whole year.
Oh my goodness. Wow, that is incredible. And again, just hopping on it before it's really necessary is wonderful there. Jennifer, what makes you proud to be a part of 365 Health?
Yeah, so lots of things. I'm a Colorado native, but one thing that I'm really proud of is that 365 Health focuses on providing health care essentials to anybody, regardless of your documentation status, regardless of language, regardless of your financial status. And I really think those are the organizations that we should be boosting up and powering our communities.
Definitely. Well, as people are watching at home, and especially as they're considering to donate today, what are the other services that you guys provide, things that people should keep in mind when they're maybe hoping to come to you guys for help?
Well, you know, we are still providing health fairs. We just finished providing 75 health fairs this year.
Wow.
But we've also now provided 600 vaccine clinics over the last year and a half, and vaccinated well over 50,000 folks at this point. So what that's enabling us to do is really to reach into communities that have under-resourced access to health care. And so they're not only getting the preventive value of the services we're providing, but now they're going to be able to also access doctors and education and screening throughout the year.
Oh my goodness. Well, you guys are doing so much incredible work. Thank you both so much for being here. Gary, Jennifer, I just can't believe how much you guys have done to help. So continue and keep up the good work.
Thanks, Sam.
Thanks so much for the opportunity to
Of
share.
course, guys. All right. Well, Help 365 Health expand their preventative health services to more people across the state. You can learn more at 365health.org and search for 365 Health on coloradogives.org to donate.